Hello people, hello YouTube, hello perfume lovers. Today is a new day and a new perfume. I bring for you a gift today. The gift of the day is this nice perfume, L'Oriental White Edition by the house of geparlys, the French house. This perfume is belong to the collection of Estelle Ewen. The collection of Estelle Ewen, there is 3 perfumes on that collection. This one, L'Oriental White Edition, and L'Oriental Man, and also the third one is the Icon, L'Oriental Icon. This perfume here is one of the best clones of the famous perfume Lacoste white L1212. Before I describe this one, I would like to describe Lacoste white L1212. As I said, Lacoste white L1212 made a lot of success in the market because before 2011 the company of Lacoste was created a boring scent of perfumes, and after the 2011 Lacoste produced L1212. That perfume made a lot of success in the market because of their the clearness of the perfume, and the perfume is very sportive, very clean, very useful, and the note on that perfume was you can smell it before, and from that moment a lot of company in the market they try to product perfumes that similar to L1212. Some of them was succeeded to produce perfumes that similar to that Lacoste L1212. The one of them is here is L'Oriental White Edition. From this edition here is Estelle Ewen, and the second one is Imperial number 4 from the same house. Imperial number 4 is a perfume from geparlys. I will make a review on that perfume when I bring it, because I have it from 1 year, and I use it, and I give it to my friend. When I bring it, I will do a review for you. Okay, now let's talk about this perfume here, L'Oriental White Edition. This perfume is created, I think, in 2019 or 2020. It came in this packaging, like you see here. In the front side, we have L'Oriental White Edition, man, the collection of Estelle Ewen Paris. This perfume came in concentration of eau de toilette. It came also on 100 ml. The packaging is all in a white color. In the back side of the perfume we have some instructions and some informations. Here is the logo of the geparlys, Estelle Ewen. In the bottom we have also some informations, how to store it and like something like that. In the top side we have the sticker and the name of the collection, Estelle Ewen Paris. In the sides we have nothing. Okay, that is the packaging. Now let's talk about the bottle and the cup before getting into the scent. The bottle came in the white color. It's not transparent. In the front side here we have L'Oriental White Edition Paris, man. In the back side we have nothing. Also in the other side, nothing in there. The cup is very secure. You need to have 2 hands to can get this cup out. As I said, it's very strong to get it up. I used my two hands. As you see here, the cup is not heavy. It's light. It's a cheap one, but it's do a lot of job here. It's very secure. The sprayer, as you see here, it came in the color of silver color, gray. I will try to use the sprayer. As you see here, the sprayer is very focused when it spray. I love how it spray. As I said, wow, it's clearness. The scent is very clearness. When you spray in the first time, you will notice some green notes, some pamplemousse, and you will get also cardamome. In the middle notes of this perfume, we have the melon, Ylang-Ylang, and also Tubéreuse. In the base notes, we have some accord marine notes, and woody, santal woody. We have also the coeur, some leather. The leather is obvious here, and all these components create scent. This scent is not usually smell it. It's when you smell it, you can say, "Oh, I smell this one in the first time. I haven't smelled something like this before." And the line of this perfume is woody, floral, musky. This perfume made a lot of success because it's similar to Lacoste L1212, and I recommend this one I recommend it highly to buy this one if you like and love fresh fragrances. And this one is very easy to use. You can use it in the summer day and in the spring days. You can use it all the day long, but it's preferably in the not in the night. This one is a big deal regarding to the price. You can find this one under $20. I recommend it very well. And in the end, I would like to thank you. Today I bring for you this perfume, the Oriental White Edition for men from the collection of Estelle Ewen. I will do also some reviews in this collection. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding this perfume and this review, tell me in the comments. And if you want to do more reviews about more perfumes, just tell me and I will do it for you. Thank you again. See you in the next videos.